Hello again, guys. Today we have a testing this PARKSIDE Cordless hammer drill model PABH 20 Li B2, and here is some of the specs: 20 volt lithium battery, 2 amber hours, approximately 1 joules, 0 to 5000 ppm, 0 to 900 rpm, and including some accessories inside. First of all, I'm going to use this. Let's see how to connect. Just push plug inside. Okay, that was it. Here we got hammer and drilling. Put it on hammer and you will fill it. Well, let's put it all into our drill. Difficult, but in hammer. Very good job. Okay, let's go to the block. Very easy. Well, of course, this is an easy material. Let's go to this. This is a marble. Oh, very easy. But it break it. Let's test it again. Let's put it on drill only. And nothing. Let's put it on hammer. Oh, that was nice. And the last one. Okay, let's put that. Let's drill those two together. Okay guys, that was all. I think you've got the idea how it goes and how it works, this bad boy. Yes, it can handle everything. Concrete, whatever material you want. It will do his work. PARKSIDE. Yeah. Model cordless hammer drill PABH 20 lithium volt battery. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video, it's your choice. But hit the notification bell because you will miss videos from me if you don't hit it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.